In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify with TikTok Shop. In order to do that, you first need to head over to printify.com in order to see this part. So make sure that you have a Printify account, but if you don't have one yet, you can click on this Get Started for free. Once you have clicked on this button, you will be redirected to register for Printify. So just wait for this to load successfully. Now you have the option to continue via Google, Apple, or just fill out your email and password informations for this case. So on my option, I'll head over and then just choose continuing with Google. Then let me choose right here my Google account that I want associated. Now just click on continue in order to further proceed with this. Once you have done that, this will load your Printify, and in just a few seconds, this will load and show you your Printify dashboard. So you can see right here some good opportunities that you can try with Etsy as well. Now, next, make sure that you're onto the seller center of TikTok Shop. Do this by going to seller.tiktok.com and you should be able to see right here TikTok Shop Seller Center. Now, once you're in there, the next thing you need to do is just wait for now because everything will be added using Printify for it. Now, once you're back on your Printify, head over and manage your store. So if you've just newly created your Printify, you can already see this step 2 to connect your store. Now, if you don't have it yet, you can head over to store settings. And then in here we have our store name. Let's type right here my store name, which is TikTok. And then let's choose right here this Printify Connect. And you can add it by using your actual Printify Premium. Now let's head over and then connect the store that we want added. Now we can connect to Etsy, but on this case, let's connect it to TikTok Shop. So let's choose the See Other Sales channel. Now you can scroll down and you can see right here our TikTok. So here we have TikTok US. It's only supported for now for TikTok US. So if you're on the other options or regions of TikTok Shop, it might not be working for you. So let's head over and choose right here this and click on connect. And then in here, click on continue. Now you can register a new TikTok account, or if you already have it, just click on this I have an account. Now set up the shipping. So you can do this by going over and setting up your warehouse to create the shipping template. So if you have set it up, just click on this. If not, just click onto this article in order to know more how to do this. Now let's choose right here this one. As you can see for that step 3, you will get a gift for this. Click on connect and this will open right here this new window that allows you to log in into your TikTok Shop Seller Center. Once you have logged back in into your TikTok Shop Seller Center, you should be able to be prompted to actually connect it right here. So my actual TikTok shop is on PH and the one that I have connected is for TikTok US. If you have a TikTok US or TikTok Shop US account, just connect it right here and you should be able to seamlessly integrate it directly. Now once you have connected your store, the next thing we need to do is to just add products. To do this, head over and then look for this catalog and choose between these categories that you want added. So, for example, on my case, let's choose right here the sportswear. Now you can see right here some options to choose from for your sportswear directly. On my case, let me head over and choose right here this one. You can click on this. And from in there, you can see this description, such as the fabric weight, relaxed fit, the creation method, and in here, this Printify option. Now click on this Start Designing. Once you have done that, it will open the Printify editor. So let's head over and explore this. Now you can see that we have in here this patch, which is this rectangle or square right here. You can just head over and click on this to download the design template. So for example, on our case, let's click on this upload. You can either upload to your device, your Dropbox, or from embroidery guidelines. So the requirements are JPG, PNG, and SVG file types with 100 megabytes of it and print error size of 12 by 12. Now click on this My Device. Just choose the picture that you want. I have chosen it and it will be added onto the gallery and you can see it right here. You can change in here the actual size for the particular design and you can change the color for this variants, change the layers as well as the width, resolutions, and positions. So for this, let's choose the variants. We have in here this white jacket for now. Let's add another by selecting it. Let's also choose black. This will look like this. Let's choose collegiate navy as well as black header. Now this will look like this. We have in here this colors and we have in here this available providers. So now click on the save product once you're done. Once you have saved your products, you can see in here some Printify mockups. So let's wait for this and as you can see here are some mockups. You can just proceed to download these pictures that you can add directly into your actual listing. Now head over and click onto the save selection. From in there, you should be able to see right here this mockups we have in here our product. Now onto this case, you can add some more pictures for this and once you're done, you can head over and click on publish. You can also change its title as well as descriptions and also personalization option and pricing. Click on this publish and from in there, you have the option to connect to it. And for this case, let's just pick your TikTok US once it appears right here and you can head over and then publish it directly from there. Once you did that, it will be directly added into your TikTok shop and you should be able to add it directly from here. Now, whenever someone ordered from your TikTok shop, now the order will be forwarded directly into your Printify. Printify will receive it and from in there, they will process the actual item, ship it to the customer, and you don't need to actually handle the item anymore since they will be the ones who will be handling all of the shipping and all of the creating of the product. Now you can also further optimize your product. You can see right here that we have in here this quick overview. Price might be too high. You can edit the price directly and then add right here or change your profit margin. You can edit the price. Choose right here to edit the profit margin. Let's change it at around 25% and click on apply and it will directly add right here the retail price. You can just save it and then publish it again once you're done with this. It will also automatically auto update on your TikTok Shop Seller Center and you should be able to see the actual product directly from there. Once you're done with everything, you can head over and then start selling this particular product. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.